Hello everyone. Today I am with you with a 7 letter word that is clarity. Having clarity in whatever you are doing is a must to do thing. If you are not clear within yourself, you will not get the results the way you want. Why we need clarity? There should be a why, there should be questioning. Because whenever we decide that this is my goal, this is something which I really want to do, and when we really do that on ground level, things are not so exciting as we thought. Because putting effort, doing pushing yourself day by day is a task which requires your willpower, your strength, not only your physical strength, your inner strength will be checked there. And when you will be clear within yourself that yes, there are challenges, there are obstacles, and there are the things which are making me feel low, because achieving a target, achieving a goal is not so easy. Because if it would be easy, everyone would able to achieve their dreams. But no, only a few people are able to realize or to materialize their goals. So this 7 letter word clarity will help you that even if there are challenges on the ground, it will make you to stand on the ground and to face all the obstacles and rise as a warrior, as a king. So, how we can get this clarity? For this clarity, the clarity which should come from your inside. It's not you are pushing yourself. When you are clear within yourself, you don't need to push yourself. I think it will your soul and even your own body will get into the process. It will have this feeling that yes, I want to do this. You don't need to force yourself, push yourself if you are clear within yourself. This clarity can be achieved by your own understanding. It is an evolutionary process within yourself. You cannot achieve this within a 1 day or 2 day or a 10 day. I think you should spend a lot of time with yourself, the time where you are not influenced by anyone. You know one thing, usually we think that if I listen some motivational speaker, if I listen someone who has achieved their goals and who are far superior than you in the terms of knowledge, in the terms of wisdom, in the terms of money, status, power, if we listen them, then we feel happy for a small period of time. But this is not a permanent solution, because when you are in the process of achieving your goals, and if you are a man with a purpose, if you really have a purpose, then how you will afford this that every third day, every second day you are listening someone to motivate yourself? And this will not work for anyone. If you really want to do something, internal changes are required. Internal changes. And these internal changes will be there if you spend time with yourself, if you involve yourself in self talks, and you give yourself auto suggestions, and you find out within yourself that what are the real problems within you, what are the positive factors of your personality, and which are the things which are stopping you from achieving your goal. When you are clear within yourself, when all the questions are answered by you yourself, and you are not under the influence of social media, under the influence of your family, the friends, and anybody else, no, you are just surrounded by yourself. At that point the clarity will be there. And when this 7 letter word clarity will be with you, I can bet that nothing can stop you. Yes, there will be challenges, there will be issues, there will be tough phase, but you will go through all and you will rise like a shining star. So bring your clarity. This is in your own hand. You can do this. Thank you.